So we just showed up here to the parking area at Payne's Prairie State Park Preserve. I think it's like a state preserve or whatever. Anyway, pulled up here. They have a couple spots, and then it's just a simple hike. We actually already hiked in because it's so short. It's literally like 100 feet from the parking lot. There's site 30 over there, and then we're in this one over here on this side, 33. This is actually a lot closer together and a lot less hiking than I thought, but it's cool. And then we have our site there, and there's a site there, another site over there. Well, it's pretty hot out. I'm gonna set up camp, see what's going on. We'll check in with y'all in a bit. So this is the lookout on one of the lakes. We were headed to the tower, and this is on the way, so I stopped and figured I'd take a little video. We've hiked about, I had to grab my water there. We've hiked about a mile or so, I guess. And I got probably like another mile to go. Came from the right, I gotta go left. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. You actually can take boats in here. They have a boat ramp over there. Here's another look at Sawgrass Pond. Look across the pond there. See some structure. I'm not really sure what that is exactly, if that's private residence. Looks like it's some sort of a camp. I'll have to look on the map and see. There's some people out there, and there's two boats at least out there. She looks like a stand-up paddle boarder maybe, and a kayaker over there off in the distance. Anyway, so back over here, they've got a couple of grills here, picnic tables, bench, and then there's a bathhouse right there, bathroom, but it is in trash and recycle. But the bathroom there is closed, and look, even somebody left some water here for me, so I'll just take that with me. Guess I'll take this trash over here that somebody left too. Don't leave your trash, guys. Just throw it away. Hike in, hike out. I'll catch up with y'all in a bit. Have you ever wondered what happened to the old road signs? Well, here's one use of them right here, lids for the trash cans. Of course, they're flipped back, silver side up normally. Well, I just got back from taking a hike. I went over toward the tower, but then we went the wrong way. Dustin went one way, I went the other way, and then so we decided to, he went one way back and I came back another way. But I just got back to camp. I didn't film the site before, so I got my hammock over here, and tent, and Dustin's tent, and his hammock over here. It's nice bringing the hammocks along every time. Hope I can do some work on the hammock this summer, kind of lighten it up, maybe work on the suspension, maybe a tarp setup and everything. We'll see. Check back with y'all in a bit. So this is on the back side of the visitor center. As you can see, it's pretty big. It's got a lot of glass. It's pretty cool. The visitor center is actually closed today. They told us as soon as we walked in or came into the park at like 1 that it was closed today. I'm assuming it's probably not going to be open tomorrow either. Be pretty sweet if it was though. And then look at the view you have out here. It's pretty good. Walking up here now to the observation tower. Just a little trail. I mean, I don't know, a couple hundred yards from the visitor center. And then the rest of the trail goes off that way. Wachuta Trail. I keep seeing this guy everywhere. This mustache guy.
Some deer out there. A whole bunch of them. You see them? Three out there, and there's two more over here.
It's a deer. Just went behind the brush now. Front side of the visitor center. Again, it's not open. Just a couple steps here. And it's just a path right down from the parking lot. It's pretty easy walking. Hopefully it'll be open tomorrow. Be nice. I'd like to check it out. Check back with y'all in a bit. So I'm gonna try this oatmeals. They have these at Academy. First time. I've never tried it. Turkey chili with beans. Actually, all you do is you it's like a little heater, and you put like water in there with it. It could be like cold water, and it activates the heater. It's supposed to heat it up. Not even, you don't even have to put boiling water, so that's nice. So I'll get it set up. We'll see how it goes. So you take everything out of this bag, and then you put the food bag back in there, and you're supposed to put a little bit of water in there to this little orange line right there, and then you drop the heater back in there, and it literally steams. Like, look at it steaming right now. It's super hot. I would definitely put the heater in at the last second, and then turn it on. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. And this is too easy. I don't know if I can be camping like this. I need to be in a camper if I'm doing this stuff. So here's the meal here. It's not actually dehydrated at all. It's just basically chili stuck in a pack, and then the heater just heats it up. It's pretty decent. It actually comes with you can see there, a napkin, salt, pepper, and a spoon. It's pretty decent, but it's not a lot of food for the weight. Anyway, tastes pretty good. Give it a try if you want.
This, boys and girls, is why you don't leave food in your tent. We were gone during the day for maybe 2 hours, and we come back to this. It's a pretty nasty hole. I mean, it's literally you could probably fit a baseball through there pretty easily.
You got like an old bar.
This is just right down the trail from where we got started. There's the old train covering right here.
That snail would be so cool. Let's see with the snail.
Real up close? I know it's got far out.
Oh yeah, the babes are over here. That's Mama.
Oh, there's Mama. Oh wow. She's hidden well.
She just popped up a second ago.
Really?
She was even better hidden than that.
Yeah. Where are the babies?
Right here. Scout around. Most of them are underwater. There's one stretched out right there. There's a couple others under the water. You'll usually see just their little head.
I see that one.
There's one right here. Right here, see the head?
Oh yeah, the
and
little
stripes
head.
underwater.
Oh yeah, I see 1, 2, 3. I have spotted 3 so far.
Here's the barn coming just down from the lake where I was just on the boardwalk where the gators were, just right up this path.